Hi friends, it's Auntie Cuckoo. I am back in Target. You know what that means. Let's go shopping. So Target is rolling out summer. This one's for you summer lovers. So we're looking at all things new summer for 2023 from Hearth and Hand to the dollar spot. You guys know we're starting over here with anything new. They have some new glass vases in these fun little cactus shapes. They have a green tint to them and they're $3 a piece. They are also putting out these that are really pretty, perfect for summer in my opinion. These are little vases. They come in the round and then the taller version. They do have a woven seagrass along the bottom. They are $5 a piece, but they're a little bit larger. Now I do love the collection of them both, and I do think that the smaller one should probably be $3, but it is also $5. So just heads up, those are brand new. I think they just put them out. They're also putting out these canisters. Now I love this. For $5, it is a canister with a lid that is wooden. They're painted in blue or yellow. Now this is that woven plastic outdoor material, so you could use these indoors, outdoors. And speaking of outdoors, I found these really cute wooden raised beds. Now you could use these indoors as a tiered stand, but I think they'd be really great in the garden, and I think the kids would have a whole lot of fun with them as well. Speaking of garden, they do have these small, they're more on the orange side than red, wheelbarrows that are metal for $5. And oh my goodness, take me back to the 80s. I'm loving these mesh oversized totes, perfect for the beach. Now summer's here, and apparently that now means lemon season. They are definitely playing up the lemons this summer. They're putting them in groups of 6 for $3 in little lemon trees. Okay, now I'm obsessed with this one. They call it an orange tree. It looks more like a little cuties tree or tangerine tree. They are a $5 item. It does come in both versions, and I do think this would be a great little centerpiece. Now, oh my word, they have outdone themselves when it comes to the tiered trays. Now they've got a hanging version, so check out your dollar spot if you're interested in something like this. You could definitely use it for plants this summer, and it is $5. Also for $5, they're putting out some tin trays that are on the smaller side. They are metal for $5, and I think this would be a great gift container. Speaking of those, they're putting out more of their woven bins. These would be also great for gifting, and they are putting out some really large plastic serving bowls. So I didn't see the green the last time I was in. I did share a short of all the nautical stuff with you guys, and I saw the blue one when I was in. They're also putting out some summer pillows. This one definitely looking like the sun. This one definitely looking like the 80s in my opinion. A little bit modern take on the 80s. It does have a cream back, and then they've got this one in blue that I think is perfect for you blue lovers out there. It's definitely summer and nautical with the stripes on the back. Now let me show you guys what they're putting out for their fairy gardens. I think this is so great. So these are 3 or 4 times the size of the ones you'll find at the Dollar Tree. Of course, it's also 3 or 4 times the price. These are $5. They are huge. They're also putting out some accessories. They come in a 3-pack, which isn't that bad, but they are $5. Now this one down here with the little bench is cute. I also like this one with the lifeguard stand, and those are also $5. They're also putting this little wood slice looking ceramic planter out for $5, and all of the little characters. So I found quite a few to choose from. Those I believe were $3, and you do get 3 pieces. Now wedding season's upon us. They're putting out some wedding items. Now I did want to show you guys these garlands because they are nicer than they have been for the last few releases. $5 a piece. This one in the fern is so realistic. It is that heavy plastic. That was a really good buy. They also have these pairs of vases, $3. They have them in the rose tones as well as the dipped in gold look. Lots of little pieces like this. I'm not a fan of them, but you might be. So for $5, they've got those. They're also putting out some hoop style wreaths. Again, this is definitely part of their wedding line for $5. And if you're not a gardener, you could always pick up this square mound of ground cover and put that in your fairy garden. Now they're also putting out a few things for Father's Day, a few mugs, a few decanters. Now something I did notice is that not all of those have writing on them. I'll show you guys those in a minute. They also have these buckets, which would be great for putting together a whole gift basket for the dad in your life. And if you missed my short, I'm going to go over a few of the new things here in the dollar spot for summer. They're putting out this huge, now you could make this into a sign, but it is a wooden surfboard for $5. It is one of the biggest pieces I've seen in the dollar spot. Here is a look at that plain decanter. Now, I think that would be great in the bathroom with some mouthwash in it. But over here, they've got all of their nautical items. I shared these in the short. They have a light up lighthouse with an LED light in it for $5. They also have the powder grayish blue lanterns, a really cute nautical themed mirror for $5. And of course, they're putting out some signs. Now, these are pretty good size signs. They're $5 a piece. I do like this one in the summer with the red text on it. Give you guys an idea of the size for $5. Now, they're also putting out lots of rope nautical pieces, these little houses. Those are all $3 a piece. I also found some beach towels for $5 down below. Lots of blue and yellow, which we're going to see in the Hearth and Hand collection next. Now they also have these little wooden crates for $5. Lake house. If you have a lake house, I think you need this in your life. Now, along with that, they're putting out this pair of 2 boat paddles. Great price, $5, you get them both. They also have this tiered boat. It's not a tiered tray or tiered stand, it's a tiered boat. It is a DIY, you're gonna have to put it together yourself, but it is ceramic and super cute for summer. They're also putting out all kinds of little things to fill it with, like these little birdies and seagulls. They have lots of these rope oars in the natural as well as the blue and white stripes. So you blue lovers are gonna love this collection. Now, real quick, before we head back to Hearth and Hand, I had to give this an honorable mention. How fun is this for the kiddos for $5? They've got different kinds of ice cream that come with this bucket. Perfect for lazy days on the sand. And speaking of which, let's get into the Hearth and Hand collection for summer 2023.
Hey darling, can I tell you what's been on my mind? Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city life. Darling, we could get out of town, see the beautiful world around, wanna see it now. Pack our bags and get in that car, leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city, let's drive to the open. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday, baby, don't you understand, that we only get one life, I wanna make it count, honey, come on now and take my hand. Hey, darling, I love it when it's me and you, on the road with a couple of tunes in a car for 2. Hey darling, you know we're gonna have a really good time, driving in the middle of the night when the stars are bright. Pack our bags and get in that car, leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city, let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday, baby, don't you understand, that we only get one life, I wanna make it count, honey, come on now and take my hand. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday, baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey, come on now and take my hand. Yeah, we only get one life, I wanna make it count, honey, come on now and take my hand.
As you can see, they are putting out so much for summer entertaining. All of these new carafes, glasses, and containers are actually acrylic, so non-breakable, and that makes them a little bit more budget friendly. I do love the wooden lids on those, and this ice bucket is just beautiful in person. It's actually quite heavy for acrylic, so it is insulated, and it does have the metal handle. Oh my goodness, you guys, orange scones. You guys know Hearth and Hand does these for the holidays. Well, now they're putting them out for summer with lots of gingham, yellows, and blues. I'm not sure if there's going to be a blueberry scone one, but I did see one for orange scones. They also are putting out tons of woven pieces, lots of oversized baskets for picnics and entertaining. One of my favorite things that they've done this year are these little ice cream bowls. I think they're adorable. I wish I could eat just that much. And these old school wire baskets, you put the liner in and have a hot dog. It's bringing back all my childhood memories. They are $5 a piece. They are metal. Now let's get into what else they're putting out for summer, and let's finish up all of this kitchen stuff so I can show you guys some of the fun things for outdoors.
First time I ever saw you, I fell in love when you entered the room. And when the light hit your face, we were just kids, but I knew right away that I will be with you until I stop breathing. I will keep loving you as long as my heart's beating. Oh, hold me close, promise you won't let go. I'm nothing without you, I don't know what I would do without you. You are the one I choose, I wanna grow old with you. I'm nothing without you, I don't know what I would do without you. I'm still in love with the way that you smile. And when I look in your eyes, I know that I will be with you the rest of my life. I will be with you until I stop breathing. I will keep loving you as long as my heart's beating. I'm nothing without you, I don't know what I would do without you.
How adorable are these pieces for the littles? I love that little duck and this little sailboat. So many cute things to keep them busy outdoors this summer. They also have this little toaster set and a little golf play set. Now, I wanted to point out these pots. I think they're gorgeous. The striping on them isn't coming across, but it is sort of a medium blue tone. So heavy. So many of these pieces are so heavy that it's really hard to flip them and show you guys the prices, but I'm sure that all these will be online, if not now, very shortly. I'm loving this whole garden section. I love the little set for the little people, and this watering can I think is really beautiful as well with the wooden handle. So it is just the white. I didn't see it in any other colors, but I do love the shape on that. They've also got out some really beautiful garden scissors. Now those are $10. I think that'd be a great little gift for Mother's Day. They're putting out some small Crocs, set of 3. I thought that was an interesting count. Some citronella candles, we're going to need those soon. And over in the bath section, they're putting out all kinds of oversized towels for the pool and the beach. Lots more stripes in yellow as well as blue. And what would a summer collection be without a cornhole set? This one is really pretty in the red, white, and blue. They're putting out bags and candles and all sorts of things for summer. And I hope you guys enjoyed seeing what I'm finding. I appreciate you guys coming along shopping with me. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys back very soon.